guys, welcome back to my channel. I made a new subway track. It's actually really awesome. It's an elevated track. I always wanted to make one of these. I saw a lot of people on YouTube making them and it just inspired me, so I'm going to put my F train on it first. I do not have a lot of time because my school's soon. Here it is on the elevated track. Okay. Now it's going up the elevated track.
I'm going up the elevated track too.
Cool. Stops at this.
Hey guys, I got New Jersey trains. I say hi to the guys.
Cool.
I got my New Jersey trains.
Cool.
And it's going down the hill, going to the Brooklyn Street station. It's going to the Brooklyn
I'm using my two 6 trains. Right here, guys. I have two 6
The
trains.
people are arguing the New Jersey trains can go to the second station. And it's going down here to the bus.
So, really, after the 6 train moves, I will have to go because my school's really soon. So these are actually both 6 trains, but I think one's like an R160 and an R32. I'm gonna check what my new one is. Okay, so I'm gonna end that video right there. This one, okay, is my R62. I have an R160 and an R62. So now you know I'm gonna end that video.
Peace out. Peace out.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Peace out.